Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the maths class of Standard 4. Today we are going to study about types of fractions. Different types of fractions. So, children, the different types of fractions are like fractions, unlike fractions, and unit fractions. Like fractions, unlike fractions, and unit fraction. So, I will tell you what is like fractions. Fractions that have the same denominator are called like fractions. Fractions that have the same denominator are called like fractions. That is, look at this, children. Here, these fractions are having same denominator 8, isn't it? So, these fractions we can say as like fractions. Okay, now unlike fractions, fractions that are called that have different denominators are called unlike fractions. So the fractions which are having different denominators, that is, look here, 1 by 8, 2 by 4, 3 by 7. In these fractions the denominators are different. One is 8, one is 4, and one is 7. So these three are unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. Okay, now what is unit fraction? Fractions with numerator 1 are called unit fraction. Look, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. So if a fraction is, some fractions are having numerator 1, then it is called the unit fraction. It is the unit fraction. Okay, so which are the three types of fractions we learn? Like fractions, unlike fractions, unit fractions. If the denominators are same, then we can say that fractions are like fractions. If the denominators are different, then we can say that fractions are unlike fractions. Then unit fraction, fractions with numerator 1 are called unit fraction. Clear, children? Okay. Now we are moving to some example questions. Identify like and unlike fractions from the following fractions. Look, children, some fractions are given here: 3 by 7, 3 by 5, 1 by 7, 5 by 7, 1 by 4, 4 by 11. So among these, which are the like fractions? We know like fractions having same denominator. So which are the fractions having same denominator? Yes, 3 by 7, 1 by 7, and 5 by 7, isn't it? Yes, 3 by 7, 1 by 7, and 5 by 7. These three are the like fractions. Now, can you say unlike fractions? Yeah, 3 by 5, 1 by 4, and 4 by 11. Here, these are having different denominators. So, these are unlike fractions. Okay, children? So, you can write the answers like this. Clear? Okay. Now we are moving to next topic, that is comparison of like fractions. It is very simple. That is, to compare like fractions, we compare their numerators only. To compare like fractions means fractions which having same denominator, isn't it? So to compare like fractions, we compare their numerators. Numerators means the number which above the line, isn't it? Yes. Then the fractions with the greater numerator is greater. Okay, the fraction with greater numerator is greater. Look, children, compare 4 by 7 and 6 by 7. We learn now that in comparison of like fractions, we are comparing the numerators only, isn't it? So you have to compare 4 and 6, which is here 4 is smaller than 6, isn't it? So you can write 4 smaller than 6, less than symbol you can put between this. So it will be same as, so 4 by 7 is less than 6 by 7. Okay, if the numerator is smaller, then that fraction will be the smaller one. Which fraction has greater numerator? That will be the greater fraction. Clear, children? So it is very simple, isn't it? Here numerator 4 is less than 6, so 4 by 7 is less than 6 by 7. Now let's compare one more fraction, 10 by 35 and 1 by 35. So here the numerator 10 and 1. So here 10 is greater than 1, isn't it? 10 is greater than 1. So how we can write it? Yes, 10 by 35 will be greater than 1 by 35. Here numerator 10 is greater than 1. So 10 by 35 is greater than 1 by 35. Okay children? Okay. So if some fractions are given to compare, then it is very easy. You just compare the numerators, then write that about the fractions. Okay. Now some questions are based on this comparison. Question is, arrange 1 by 7, 6 by 7, 2 by 7, 5 by 7 and 4 by 7 in ascending and descending order. We know ascending order means smallest to the largest. Descending order means largest to the smallest. So just now we learned in like fractions we have to compare the numerators. So first you arrange the numerators in ascending and descending order, then write with the fraction. Write with this 7 as the fraction. Okay. So here 1, 2 and 4, 5, 6. It is coming like this, isn't it? 1 is the smallest one. So we can write 1 by 7 in first position, 2 by 7. 1 by 7 is the smallest one and 2 by 7 is greater than 1 by 7. Then 4 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. 5 by 7 is greater than 4 by 7 and 6 by 7 is greater than what? Yes, 5 by 7. So first we can understand the fractions like this. Now we can write the ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to the largest. So the smallest one is 1 by 7. So 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7. That is, you just check the numerators. That is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. This is the ascending order, isn't it? You just put the 7 as the denominator in all these. Okay. So we got the ascending order. Now we know the reverse of ascending order is the descending order, isn't it? So just reverse it. That is 6 by 7 in first position, 5 by 7 in second, 4 by 7, 2 by 7, then 1 by 7. Now it becomes the descending order. Now it becomes the descending order. Got it children? Is it easy? Yes. Okay. So I hope the types of fractions and comparison of like fractions are clear for you. Everyone go through it well and study it all well and practice with more questions. Thank you.